In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email autoresponder at Siteground using Site Tools. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those looking to automate responses and enhance email communication efficiency. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to Web Hosting Perfected, Siteground's homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address bar world.siteground.com. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the Siteground portal. At the top right corner, there's a login button, which is your gateway to accessing your Siteground account functionalities. Click on this button to proceed. Upon clicking login, you'll enter your login credentials. It's important to ensure you're entering your email and password correctly to avoid unnecessary delays. If you face any issues logging in, double check your inputs or utilize the password recovery options provided by Siteground. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to your account dashboard, commonly known as My Siteground account. This is your main control hub featuring various options for managing your hosting services. Once in My Siteground account, locate and select Site Tools. This tab is prominently displayed and serves as the entry point to managing your website's back-end settings. Clicking Site Tools will direct you to a new interface filled with different web management options. From here, look for the email section on the left sidebar, a crucial area for configuring email-related tasks. Within the email section, you'll find an option labeled Autoresponders. Click on this to access the autoresponder settings. This feature is designed to automatically send replies to incoming emails, ensuring none of your messages go unanswered while you're unavailable. Now that we're inside the autoresponder interface, it's time to add the details for your autoresponder. Enter the email address you want to use, the subject line for your auto reply, and the message body. Craft a message that best represents your intent and is clear to your recipients. Consider stating how long you might be unavailable or when the recipient can expect a more personalized response. Once all the necessary fields are filled out satisfactorily, it's time for the final step. Click on the Create button. This action will save and activate your new autoresponder settings. Ensure you review the details before confirming, as this will determine the auto replies sent from your specified email. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an email autoresponder using Site Tools at Siteground. This feature is an excellent way to maintain timely communication. Whether you're out of the office or simply away from your inbox, the autoresponder ensures your contacts are kept informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.